Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
They'll sit on people's shoulders or cling to their backs upside down. But they're also high-maintenance creatures that live 10 to 12 years. Irresponsible pet mills breed sugar gliders by the boatload, peddling them off at malls and other venues, only for unprepared owners to realize they're not a simple pocket pet.
Take our lead.
Sugar gliders are extremely social animals. In the wild, they live in large family groups, called colonies. Because of their social nature, pet gliders should always be kept in pairs or small groups. No matter how much time you plan to spend with your pet, you cannot replace the companionship of another glider.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
With that said, sugar gliders are not known to smell bad, because, like cats, they keep themselves clean. Sugar gliders can emit foul smells when they are young as they can't hold in their urine and feces. Sometimes these creatures emit a foul odor when they are afraid.
Take our lead.
Sugar gliders are playful, curious animals that typically love to hang out with both their cage mates and their human caretakers. Pouches designed for sugar gliders are typically available in pet stores. They must be handled daily by their owners to become tame, or they tend to be nippy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.